Hi guys, this is just a simple quick fix on how to reinforce your your post if in case anything happens, like the wind comes or the storm comes and it destroys your fins like what it did to me. One of the problems that I had was this here got weak, during the storm, because a few years ago I replaced the entire fins and I left this one post which I should have replaced, but what happened was it weakened, the base where the cement, connects with the 4x4. So what I did was I got this from Home Depot for about $5. Just pounded it in there. Now this is how it looks before I installed it, and just so you guys can see, it has a perfect match with the 4x4. And what you do is you just put it close to where it connects with the cement and the post, and I'll show you this one. Okay, that's how it looks before I buried it in there. I don't have a problem with this post here. This one is good, but this one here, since it got weak, I had to reinforce it by using this fence post mender made by Simpson, which you can get from Home Depot. Like what I said, it's not that expensive. It's $5, and you just get your sledgehammer, which is like this one here. Okay, and you just start pounding it in there by hitting it over there. Bury it as deep as you can. I went as deep as, I'd say, about 2 inches, close to where you pound it, and it actually secured it pretty well. And as you guys can see, there's one hole here where I secured it with a big screw. I'll show you guys what happened in the back, as it was actually worse than the one that I just showed you over there on the other side. But if you guys look at my fence all the way in the back, this whole, I'd say probably 30 feet of fence, fell during the storm. There was a big bad windstorm here at the Inland Empire, and it destroyed my fence, and most of the connecting post connecting to the cement down at the bottom in the ground finally gave up on us. So this fence is probably about a good 15 years old, and what I'm doing right now is just trying to save it as much as I can. What I did was I reinforcing it on this side, and on the other side my neighbors. We put in another 4x4 and dug about 1.5 feet. This fence is only about 5 feet tall, so 1.5 feet deep is perfect. I'm digging one because I'm going to put another one right here, another 4x4. And what we did was, after we dig the 1.5 foot hole, we tied it with some rope, secure it while we put the cement. And this is what I used: Quikrete fast setting. Just pour it in there, pour some water in. It's so easy, and leave it, and that's about it. Because there's a little bit of gap right here to secure tightly the brackets. These are the L brackets that I bought from Home Depot, and right now I'm using a exterior screw grip right. Comes with a lifetime guarantee, 1x5/8 by 8. I got it from Home Depot also. The guy over there suggested that this would be a good, one to use for the kind of work I'm doing. And I'm waiting for my son to bring the cordless tools because right now I'm using this wired cord. Oh, there's my power tool, finally.
Hi, Dan. Uh-oh.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. There you go. Now it's not going to come untangled. Or unplugged.
I'm probably gonna have to move it to the garage, the cord. So makes it the last part. Hold on, Mark.
Oh, I got to straighten it.
Hold on to that. Okay.
Caesar. What's up? Oh, really? All right, we'll tell them. Did you try putting it in the charging thing too? Oh, damn. All right, we'll tell them. Alrighty.
Did you have to leave?
No.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay, securing this extra post. We are adding. And my son is making sure that
It's installed correctly.
it's tight.
Where'd the other one go?
Right there. See it? Oh, we lost a screw. I just saw it. It's gold. That's
blends
why
in
it's
with this.
right. Looks like grass.
Looks like dead grass.
Yeah. Yeah, we're almost done. Cost us $35 per post, plus $40 for the entire L brackets and all this stuff that we're adding in right now. And hopefully this will help you guys when you do yours. If you want to save money and save whatever you have, left on your fence, this probably will last us another five years or more. And if need be, I'll probably just add another, like piece on this side. So good luck, guys. And hope you this will help you in the future when you're building your fence. My son putting the L bracket.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
Easy peasy, lemon peasy. Nothing to it. So here Mark is attempting to cut it short now. There you go. That's it. And
Oh, you sand it off.
yeah, just a little bit of sanding and that should be good. Now we just have to cut the rest of them. That's how it's going to look. The reinforcements, pretty solid. That's all done.